My mom is originally from Ireland. My dad is originally from Chicago. Here, people relax. People take their time. People, just enjoy their life a little bit more. So I decided to open McElroy's Irish Pub. Hi. My name's Red. This is my lovely wife, Karina. We've been married for
3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years.
It's
all right. We do it all the time. All the time.
what?
Huh? Round and round and round we go. Chengdu people love spicy food, so we started adding huajiao, and everybody loves it. Woo! Most of the stuff that we make is just like my mom cooked it. We don't want to just make food. We want it to be like home. Everybody knows here that if you would not give this to your mother, we don't serve it. All of these things are concerns that your mother has for you. It doesn't matter who you are, whenever you go abroad or whenever you're away from your home for a long time, food is always a comfort. My friend in Chengdu, he said, hot pot, pandas, pretty girls. And so I moved to China, had hot pot, found a pretty girl. I used to go with her and my nose would bleed because it was too spicy. Every time we would go, my nose would bleed. But I didn't want to be like, no, it's too spicy, because I didn't want her to be like, I don't want to go with you. So I did that. Over and over and over. And like at the end of it, I'm just like, but I have to keep the smile on, like. But eventually I got used to it, and now I can't stay away from it. I love hot pot now. I'm not pretending anymore. So it doesn't matter if you're Chinese or you're Indian or you're Irish. Whenever you have that food from home, you feel connected and you feel like you belong. And that's what I wanted to do with this place.
There's no city better than Chengdu.
好玩又好吃。
Is not just make food, but make food like my mom would make food, so that whenever people come in, they feel that connection. It's not just a place to eat and play pool. It's a place where you feel like you're part of the family.